Do you need to know where a value is in a list? You can use a linear search. Come on, let's learn some Java. Consider this array. We're going to look to see where the value 5 is in the array. We're going to first check at index 0 to see if the value there is 5. It's 7, so that's not what we're looking for. Then we go to the next value, which is 3, and the next value, which is 9, and the next value, which is 1. And finally, we find 5 at index 4, and 4 is returned. What if we were looking for the value 8? Well, we would look at the first value, which is 7, then 3, then 9, then 1, then 5. We haven't found 8, and -1 will be returned. This is what the algorithm looks like in Java. Here's the value we're searching for, in this case 5. We want to start with index value being -1, as if we didn't find it. Then we're going to use a traditional for loop. It's important to use a traditional for loop instead of an enhanced for loop because we need the index value. So it starts at 0 and goes to the end of the list. We're going to check to see if each value is the value we're searching for. If we find the value, then we're going to update index to be that index value, I, and we're going to set I to the length because we no longer need to keep searching for the value in the list. Now don't forget to like and follow, and check out the links in our description.